Siyakhathaza kakhulu isibalo sentsha engasebenzi, kepha ke likhona ithemba njengoba kusungulwe isikhungo sokuqeqesha intsha ngamakhono.
I'm hoping to find a job at least because it's been a long time, I've matriculated 2016, since then no job, no nothing.
Ongoti bakholwa ukuthi ukuqeqesha intsha ngamakhono kungaba yilona khambi ekwakheni amathuba omsebenzi. Bathi intsha inamakhono amaningi okukwazi ukuzisungulela amabhizinisi.
The economy is not able to create enough jobs to accommodate everybody. So entrepreneurship is one of the routes that we think could be able to assist us in solving the unemployment crisis that we are currently facing.
We are looking at welding, we are looking at plumbing as well as water reticulation. Now if you look at these are things that are mostly needed in government departments.
Izikhulu zithi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi Lesisikhungo sizoqeqesha intsha ngamakhono okukhenika imishini yokusebenza, izimoto kanye nokwakha imigwaqo.